Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily search people on Instagram by their phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram. Then tap at your profile picture and select these three lines icon to bring up that options. In here you have to tap at settings, and on settings you have to tap at account. Then among these options you can easily find contacts syncing just towards the middle of the screen, and then make sure that connect contacts feature is enabled. If it's toggled off, just hit at that switcher to toggle it on. After that you can move on to your profile page, and from here you can tap at three lines icon and select discover people, and it shows you different Instagram users. You can scroll down to get more suggested people from here, and among that list you can easily find some people from your phone contacts book. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.